Good morning, everyone. This is Jessica ER. I'm going to be standing up so you won't see my face, but I'm going to make a DIY mocha from home. So what you'll need is your own coffee. I'm making like a lighter coffee. I'm using 1 cup of water. You need some ice, bam, and sweetened condensed milk. And I'm going to use my at-home blender, very small blender. It's pretty easy to use. So that's what I'll be using. Now, oh, and a colador. I don't know how you say this in English, but in Spanish it's a colador. You put your coffee in here, you pour the water, and so on and so forth. Also, you'll need syrup. Yeah. As a matter of fact, let me get that open. Okay, bam. So let's get started. I'm gonna make my coffee. I'm going to put my coffee in here. I'm going to use this nice big spoon. I'm going to use about 1, I would say 2, since I'm planning on using 2.5. Since I'm planning on using a cup. So here's my cup right here. Just gonna pour this in here. Not looking as strong as I hoped. Ugh. So let me add more coffee to that, because to me that is not delicious looking coffee. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna pour some of this back into the cup, into the measuring cup. Bring this back over here. Let's try again. See, that looks darker, at least. Little at a time. Make sure this coffee's getting in there. What I just did was just smush down the coffee that was on top so that it can really get that dark color. So, let's see. I don't like being so far, so you guys can't see, but it's okay. I am not a very heavy coffee drinker, so this might be good for me. Oh yeah, that looks pretty good to me. I'm just gonna dip it in there just to make sure I get enough. See, it's not that dark as most of you would probably like it. But, you know, I'm not really a heavy coffee drinker anymore. Boy, let me tell you, I sure was though. Come on, baby. Get dark, get dark. Oh yeah, that looks pretty all right to me. That looks pretty all right to me. Probably may not be my favorite, but let's see. So I'm going to put this aside. I'm going to throw maybe that much condensed milk, but I mean, I do like it sweet. So it's like not even a whole can, not even half a can. Can't even show you, but it's not half a can. I'm gonna put lots of ice, probably like 3 or 4 cubes or whatever would fit in here, because you do want it to be smushy, slushy, in other words. And I forgot to add, you will be using milk, of course. How could you not? All right, guys, let's put this on the blender and see how it comes out. I'm pretty excited. I wanted to mention that I learned this from the Pioneer Woman on the Food Channel. She's the one who made this. She made a ginormous batch. I'm not making that much, so I'm just trying to kind of go with more than less than half of what she made. So thank you so much, Pioneer Woman. You are definitely a blessing to watch, and I hope that you're seeing this. Now let's get started. Oh, that sounds delicious. Ah, it's not as slushy as I wanted it to be. Wow, that's actually really good. It's a little watery for me. As you can see, it's moving around, but that's okay. I'll drink it like that. There's my baby girl up in the morning. All right, guys. Well, I hope you enjoyed that video, and I'm definitely gonna enjoy this coffee. And I'm not going to add the. You know what? Let me add it just for you guys. Add a little bit of this. Normally, the Pioneer Woman, she put whipped cream on top and then put this on top. I don't like whipped cream, so let me just add just a little bit of this just to make it look cute. Ooh, look how cute. Bam, that's adorable. Anyway, have a great morning, have a great evening, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'm definitely gonna enjoy this, and I'm heading off to work. Mwah.